Hi everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing this all-in-one USB adapter. So it's got different ports here. Gives you a visual description on the box of what ports is available. Just gonna open it up, and on this end where you plug into your device, it's got a USB-C and USB-A, so you can convert between the two. It's got here 3 ports. Got a USB-C port here as well, an audio port as well, SD card and microSD card as well, and these 3 USB ports. It's got the blue one, so it must be 3, and one on the side here as well. So let me see how this works. So just gonna plug in a cable here. If I manage to put in the right port, there you go. So it's handy that it's got the option to use USB-C and USB. Gonna plug it to this power bank and then try to charge a mobile phone to see whether it works or not. So I'm just gonna plug it into this mobile phone and see whether it charges. You can see here actually that it's got a LED light, blue light LED light is turning on. Putting on the side here, and yep, it's charging.